In this comprehensive tutorial, we will guide you step by step through the process of setting a live wallpaper from TikTok on your smartphone. This isn't just a fun way to personalize your device. It's also a fantastic way to showcase your passion for your favorite TikTok content. Whether you're a fan of humorous sketches, fashion, or art and creativity, this guide will enable you to bring a bit of TikTok magic to your mobile device. We can start by opening your TikTok application on your phone. After that, search for wallpapers for 1000. You'll see many choices here. Just select the video you like the most. I'll try this video here. Click the share button here. Afterward, find the set as wallpaper option. When you find it, click on it. Then click set as wallpaper at the bottom of the screen. Then once again, click set wallpaper at the bottom. Then choose where you want to set the wallpaper. You have two options on the home screen and on the home and lock screens. I'll choose the home screen now. Return to the home screen and the live wallpaper will be changed. We hope we've helped you with setting up a live wallpaper from TikTok on your phone. If the video helped you, please leave a like and follow us for many more tutorials like this.